Welcome to the Blockchain Report. We discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into some new and trending ecosystem campaigns or quests on Layer 3. We have quite a few. This new campaign just started on August 1st, and they're adding more and more quests over time. So this goes until October 10th, so a good 2 months, and different trending projects. So Morpho, Citrea, Bitlayer, Kintsu, Ambient Finance, SyncSwap, Zora, Hyperliquid, Karak, Hyperlane, Morph, Zirkit, Puffer Finance, and more every day or every couple days. So we have a lot to get through. We won't get through. Well, I'll do this in parts, so this will be part one. But before we actually get started in part one, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like these cubes, like the staking rewards that we get from Layer 3, like all the cool incentives that they're pumping out now that the token has launched, the L3 token, and you can get staking rewards by staking your tokens and earn up to, right now it's 47% APY. It's been slowly dropping, but I have mine staked for 12 months, so 1 year, and I will be eligible to claim whatever staking rewards I have, so that will be nice. But now that the market is kind of down, it would be good to stack up your bag of Layer 3 or L3. You do need any further assistance with these quests or campaigns, we do have a Discord. Link is in the description below. We have amazing people in the community that can help answer pretty much any questions you have or point you in the right direction. So get in there and connect with us. And yeah, thank you to everyone who's in there. Thank you to those of you who are new. I appreciate you all. And let's dive in. So we'll get a couple of these done today. We'll do the Zora, Hyperliquid, Morpho, Citrea, and Bitlayer. Yeah, we'll go ahead because Karak has already been completed. So this one's optional. So verify that you've minted at least 5 cubes and restake any Ethereum. You can go there and do it, but it's optional, so you can just skip it. But if you'd like to, go there and do the whole thing. I think you have to have an invite code. So, okay, and they have a deposit cap limit. So they are capped out, so you will have to go ahead and you can complete that without doing that staking task. So here we do need to mint or transact on Zora. Mint an NFT. It may have to be a new transaction. I don't know. Okay, so I was actually on Zora last night minting some NFTs, and we can actually go through that and show you. Boom, boom. So on Zora, right here, you can log in, I guess. Maybe not. So I usually go to trending. Lychee Zorb. Ooh, but since my computer's being slow. So you can mint one of these and you can get your transaction on Zora. Oh, and don't forget to keep your active boost going when you're doing a lot of quests. So here we'll deposit $5 on Hyperliquid. Hold on, let me make sure. Yeah, I'm gonna do this on a different wallet because I get to save on some fees. So here we go. So we can deposit, remember, $5. You can do either of these, USDT, USDC, or USDC.E. That's the bridged version. So it looks like it's only USDC. And I bet you that's what I swapped to. Okay, just close out of it and go back in. Okay, we've deposited. See our portfolio, balance, no balance yet. Oh, it says we have $6 in it. Oh yeah, I need to add this wallet on my profile yet. So now I can go here. You can trade on here. Just open a trade like Dimension. I'm gonna go Hundo. Just gonna place a trade and we are gonna go right there. So you can do cross margin up to 10x leverage one way. So your position is either long or short, and there you go. It also shows your liquidation price, and then you can continue on. So next, Morpho is an on-chain peer-to-peer layer on top of lending pools. Rates are seamlessly improved for borrowers and lenders. So Morpho uses P2P liquidity matching. When liquidity is matched peer-to-peer instead of via pool, capital utilization rate is 100%, which means superior rates for both borrowers and lenders. So you can supply on either the base or Ethereum network. So we're gonna disconnect from here, and I'm gonna swap wallets. Bada boom. mint a cube, and we be good to Gucci go. Gucci. So Morpho. Supply any asset. So we're going to do this on the base network because we still got to go after that base airdrop. We're still farming in case they do one. Don't forget, I also have the on-chain summer base video. If you're looking for something to farm, okay, check that box. We're just going to supply, let's just go with the first one, flagship ETH. So you can allow ETH wrapping since my base, I just have some ETH on there. So there you go. We're going to supply a measly amount to just a little tiny bit. Make sure you're not sending a crazy allocation approval. So this is approving the spending permit, and then the next one approves the bundler. So it's all based on these transactions that need to be performed by the smart contracts, allowing you to give the smart contract access to your specific token and token amount. That way it doesn't take the whole thing on accident. And there's your transaction finalizing, and you can verify. And you can now claim your cube. Next up, Citrea is the first rollup that enhances the capabilities of Bitcoin block space with zero-knowledge technology, making it possible to build everything on Bitcoin. So bridge to Citrea DevNet, bridge Bitcoin to Citrea DevNet using the DevNet bridge. We'll connect our wallet, go to the Rabby, and you will have to generate a unique deposit address. So when you go back, generate new, and here, I'm just going to copy this because you can save this. So you'll have a private key, and you want to download this and save it. So that way your recovery address is right here. But I'm going to use this one that I've used before. So deposit from faucet. We'll verify that we are a human being. As you can see, I did this one a couple weeks ago. And once this is pending, see, verify that. Then swap on Citrus Swap. So estimated 2 minutes. We'll go to Citrus Swap, connect our Rabby. Okay, so it's not auto changing. So we'll go down here to custom networks and then type in Citrea, and you will click on that and you will automatically swap. So we have some CBTC. Once your tokens come over, click this little select a token, choose a list, Citrus Swap, and one of these ESA Doshi or CAT. So you can perform a swap on here. Also add to the liquidity pool. So we've swapped on there. We've got our Bitcoin, our testnet Bitcoin. Yeah, and add to the liquidity pool too. You come in here, add something like that, and then supply. There you go. You'll get more interaction on the DevNet, which is good. Very important. Very importante. There you go. Got your cube. Man, I'm trying to get this 900 cube in the next 3 weeks. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Okay, last one. Bitlayer is the first layer 2 solution for Bitcoin that offers security equivalent to Bitcoin's own and Turing completeness. It is also the first Bitcoin layer 2 solution based on BitVM paradigm. Bitlayer aims to enhance the Bitcoin ecosystem by providing secure scalability, promoting diversity of assets, and encouraging innovation. So bridge to Bitlayer. Bridge any amount of Bitcoin from Bitcoin to Bitlayer via the Bitlayer bridge. So since a lot of people don't have much Bitcoin or don't transact a lot with Bitcoin, you can connect any of these Bitcoin wallets and bridge over, but for this quest, we don't need to. We can just skip it. So we open up the Medium article. You can check that out, but Bitlayer might be a good one to get some interaction with. I don't know. It could be, but yeah, we'll keep covering some of these new and trending, and we'll keep you updated on the latest and greatest. But remember, keep collecting those cubes. We do have a lot of fun stuff on layer 3 coming. So get in there, get these quests knocked out, and we will see you on the next video. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.